Hello to my fellow Ohioans. My name is Michael Betts, owner and operator of Always Big Power Washing Pros. At Always Big Power Washing Pros, we specialize in residential, commercial, exterior cleaning. And that range from gutter cleaning, gutter repair, gutter whitening, to house wash, concrete wash, internal and external window cleaning, garage, floor cleaning. And on the commercial side, we focus on dumpster pads, commercial storefronts, commercial windows, commercial concretes to bring back your curb appeal. We also do parking garages to get those oily stains up from out the parking lots. Restoring your curb appeal is important, and protecting your investments is just as important. Our values are faith, trust, and integrity. So you can always look at our reviews and see how much our customers value the work and the effort that we put in. Our objective is simple: to restore Ohio's curb appeal and to protect your property's investments. And that is big. Um, what else? So yeah, always big is always believe in God, serve with purpose. That's our slogan. And happy huntings. If you need professional exterior cleaning for your home, please call Always Big Power Washing Pros.